Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix headphones that are not detected in Windows 11. The first thing to do is update the audio driver. Right-click the Start button or press Windows plus X, then open Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, then find your Realtek audio device. Right-click it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows check for a newer version. If an update is found, install it and restart your computer. If Windows does not find a new driver or the problem continues, go back to the same Realtek device, right-click it, and select Uninstall Device. If you see an option to remove the driver software, check that box, then click Uninstall. Restart your PC, and Windows will automatically reinstall the audio driver during startup. If your headphones are still not detected, you can switch to the generic Windows audio driver. Open Device Manager again, expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your Realtek audio device and select Update Driver. This time choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select High Definition Audio Device, click Next, and confirm the warning by selecting
Yes.
After the installation finishes, restart your computer and check if your headphones are now detected. Thanks for watching.